Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to change music length on Facebook Story using your iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So now let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your Facebook app and you need to make sure that your account is logged in. Now just go ahead and click on the stories at the upper part of your screen and click create a story. So now just go ahead and choose any photo or videos that you want. Then just go ahead and click on music and choose any music right here. Okay? But for this tutorial, I won't play any music because of copyright. Okay, and also so that you can hear me. So just go ahead and follow these steps that I will dictate. So once you've choose the music that you want, just go ahead and click on the lyrics if there is a lyrics, okay? And as you can see, there is no option to change the music length of it. So what you can do is to exit on Facebook and open Instagram. Okay? Now again, click on the plus sign at the lower part of your screen. Now, as you can see at the lower right side of your screen, you can see an options. So just go ahead and click on story. Now, choose the album options at the lower left corner of your screen and choose the photo that you want. Now, click on the sticker button at the upper part of your screen beside the text button. Now click on music. And now just go ahead and choose any music that you want. And once you've clicked on the music that you want, you can see the music length of it at the left side of the title. Okay? And when you click on that, you can now change the music length of it. So once you're happy about the music length, just go ahead and click on the three little dots at the upper right corner of your screen and click on save. Okay? So once you've saved that video, just go ahead and go back on Facebook. I'm gonna exit this. And now just go ahead and choose the video that you've created on Instagram and click on share at the lower right corner of your screen. Okay? So that's how you change music length for your Facebook story. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.